Hi guys, right, got another video here on the C10. So probably a year and a half ago I bought some new tyres for it. I bought a set of Cooper Cobra radial GTs. I bought a pair of 275 60-15s for the rear and 235 70-15s for the fronts. I've had them mounted to the wheels, but I'm getting close to the point now where I'm going to have to, where I'm going to be able to drive the truck. So I come to bolt them on the truck and found out that all the tyres had perished. So the tyres had done no miles, but had been mounted to the wheels for probably 12 months. Now, 3 out of the 4 perished. So I've been fortunate enough, I've sent them back to the company that I bought them from, who are like a distributor, they're like a middleman. So they've taken the tyres back. They've only taken the 3 that are damaged and left me with 1 tyre. I don't know if we can see this here, brand new, still got a sticker, part of the sticker on it. So I've sent those back. Apparently they cut into them, check to see if they're made well or not. If there's a problem, I'll get a refund. If there's not, tough luck. They've cut into the tyres, they're no good now. Well, they're no good to anybody then, but they were alright, and I lose out. But I have been out and bought another set of tyres and had them fitted to the wheels. This time I have bought some Nankang tyres. I've stayed with the same size on the rear, 275 60-15s, and on the front I've dropped 1 size, I think the 225 70-15s. The rears I managed to get some nice NS2Rs, they look quite nice. And then the fronts, I couldn't get in this tyre, so I ended up getting Nankangs with them, more like a van tyre, light commercial tyre. I'll just show you them quick, but yeah, my first job today is bolting the rears on, and then after that I'm going to be cracking on with getting these fenders fitted, hopefully for the last time. They're going to be on. So yeah, I'll show you these tyres quick, and then I'll get on with fitting the rears and then get on to sorting out these. Okay, so here's the old new tyres, I suppose. Yeah, literally still look like brand new. But this is the only good one out of the 4 I bought. They'd perished all the way around this edge here, all the way around the whole tyre on the other 3. This is the only one that's any good, so there's a good chance that's going to be a spare tyre now. These are the new ones though. Really happy with these. Smart looking tyre treads, especially on these 2 rear ones. Front ones are just plain van tyres, but hopefully these will last longer than a year. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with getting these rears fitted. Right, that's them on. Before I had the last one, new tyres put on, I did have these wheels banded. So they were an 8-inch wide wheel, they're now a 9-inch wide wheel, and I went from a 255 wide tyre to a 275 tyre. So I had to trim the inside of the arch to make room for the tyres to fit. So I trimmed a small piece out. There's quite a big lip on these anyway, so yeah, it looks like they're going to fit well. The truck is still on axle stands, so when it's sat at normal ride height, I think most of the sidewall is in the arch. I think the arch is down to about this sort of level. So yeah, once the front fenders are fitted, I'll be able to get the front wheels back on and then go back sat on the ground. But yeah, I'm happy with how they look. Okay, so here's one of my freshly painted fenders. Just got back from the paint shop. Done a great job on it. I know the guys really well who've painted this. Howard Brothers Classic and Paint. I'll put a link to their Instagram page in the description. They do all sorts of stuff, so yeah, give them a look up. Definitely worth using them if you need any paintwork doing in the UK. I know most of my followers or people who watch this are from the States, but if you're in the UK, they're definitely worth a look up, see if they're local to you. So I've got my wife's best wraparound towel out. I'm about to turn this over and fit the seals to the back of it. Okay, so I've got the fender turned over. Here's the parts that I refurbished and sort of repaired where they rotted in a previous video, but I'm going to fit these. So this one sits here like this. This one sits, yeah, they are like that. The proper clips I had pretty much fell apart. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some roof nuts in these holes and bolt them on. That's a much better way of doing it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Just put some roof nuts in those. Okay, so I'm just going to fit the badge to the fender. I'll just give this a quick clean, repainted it because these were red, but I've just painted them satin black, the same as the truck. So yeah, I'm just going to fit this. Right, so I'm going to have a go at fitting this fender. Everything's still loose on the truck, so the thinking is I'm going to put this on and tighten everything up once I've got both fenders on. Okay, I'm not sure that the video recorded all of me putting the fender on there, but you get the idea. I've bolted it on. So yeah, the fit's pretty good. Colour match is pretty good. The gaps are still pretty good. The only thing I've got left to do is put the trim on this side. Like I said, everything is still loose, so this is still loose, this is still loose. Where this meets to that is I haven't tightened everything up yet. This is still loose, so I'm not going to film me doing the other side. You get the idea, it's the same as this side. So yeah, I think I'll just come back once I've got the other fender fitted, and I've tightened all the front end up. Okay, so filming me putting back together the front end of the truck didn't go to plan. So I've basically done most of it. So I'm just going to show you what I've already done. So, okay, so here it is, back together, well, the majority of it, and back on the floor. So on the side there, got the trim and the badges on. The grille, the headlights, bumper and everything's back on. Everything's all tightened up at the front. Same this side. They went, you know, they went on pretty well. To be fair, I did put the effort in trying to get them to fit before having them painted. So now that they're back and painted, it wasn't too bad putting it all back together. My hood is away at the body shop at the minute. The front edge of it had rotted out, so they're repairing all the front edge of it as well as repainting it. So basically, from the bulkhead forward on the truck is all refreshed now. The rest of the truck leaves a bit to be desired, but the front end is looking pretty tidy now. Since I've changed the tyre sizes on it, only a little bit, but it's enough to give it a tiny little bit of rake now. I haven't driven it, so whether it will settle a little bit and level out or not, I'm not sure. But yeah, I didn't film any of me doing this, so I just thought I'll end this video with it back together. Okay, if you're still here, thanks for watching. Give the video a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon. Cheers guys.